Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our trading channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing some of the latest trends and opportunities in the trading world, and sharing some tips and strategies that you can use to improve your own trading performance. Segment 1 Market Update. Let's start off by taking a look at the current state of the markets. As you may have noticed, there's been a lot of volatility and uncertainty in recent months, with the ongoing pandemic and geopolitical tensions causing fluctuations in various asset classes. However, there are still plenty of opportunities to be found, especially for those who are able to keep a level head and stay focused on their long-term goals. Segment 2 Technical Analysis. Now, let's dive into some of the technical analysis that we've been doing lately. One of the key tools that we use to analyze the markets is charting, which involves looking at price movements over time and identifying patterns that can help us predict future price movements. We'll be sharing some examples of charts that we've been analyzing, and discussing the insights that we've gained from them. Segment 3 Trading Strategies. Building on our analysis, we'll be sharing some specific trading strategies that you can use to take advantage of current market conditions. These strategies will range from short-term day trading techniques to longer-term trend-following strategies, and we'll explain the pros and cons of each one.